So tell us where you come from today.
I'm from Toronto, Canada.
From the States.
From the Netherlands.
Well, it's going to be awesome.
This opens up a whole new world. There's so many possibilities.
Just more.
It's intense. Little stuff they add, it's just incredible. It's not even possible.
That's cool.
More of everything.
Creating is so much easier, so much faster now.
A lot of very funny levels going on over there.
Full-on effects. There's going to be enemies everywhere.
Mindless journeys. They're the kind of levels that I like to play. They're the levels that I try and create.
Big explosions, lots of action, lots of guns.